Hello guys, welcome to another video. I know all my other videos were me as a baby, so if you didn't know, that baby was me. I can't believe it too. I was surprised. My mom and dad made it without me knowing. But today I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. So I have this whole bin of squishies. Look at the bin compared to my head. And look, it's almost filled with squishies, so this is going to be interesting. But I'm going to squish the squishies outside the packaging just because, just in case I don't want to ruin the packaging. But some don't have the packaging, so let's get started. So first, I'm gonna start with the squishies, from Walgreens and stores, but not an actual official squishy store. So I think I got all of the ones. So I'll start with this. This used to be a turtle. I got it at one of my friend's birthday parties, but then I cut off the head and the legs. I don't know why. I covered it in glue, I think. You could see that. I don't know if you can. But a little bit slow rising. So put that off to the side. I believe this is my first ever squishy. One of my friends got it, then they gave it to me, but then I don't know why I cut it in half. I think it was a cracker or a bun. I got it at my school. So, next one, I got this Hello Kitty donut. This is licensed by Scenario. I don't know if you can see that. There. I think Scenario made Hello Kitty or has a lot of Hello Kitty products. So there. I got this one at Barnes & Noble in Ann Arbor, I think. And I'll put that on behind. And I got this at Barnes & Noble too. This was actually, mine. This one's super slow rising and soft. This one's also licensed by Scenario. I do not know if you could see that, but alright. Then I got this strawberry. It's licensed by, there's the licensing, I think it's M&E Inc., I think. Alright, I didn't mean to rhyme, but I got this one at Walgreens. Very slow rising and soft. Not that soft, it's dense, sort of. Alright, so now I'm going to do the squishies from Bunny's Cafe, I think. I think most of the other ones are from Bunny's Cafe. Alright, so get this. I've got this Kumaton melon bun. Super soft. It smells like berries. And this is not licensed. But this is from Bunny's Cafe. It's a Bunny's Cafe product. But I don't think when I got this they were licensing their squishies. But if they were, excuse me, I'm sorry. This package was designed by the Helicopter. Alright, I'm going to do the next one. Alright, I have a candy corn. I got this one from Bunny's Cafe too. I believe this is a rainbow, and here's some stars. This one smells like jelly beans. There's the licensing. Oh, sorry. there. And it's super soft and it smells like really good. So I put that there. So, and then I've got this croissant from Bunny's Cafe. So here the Chocoton, Kumachan, and Kumaton. I think this one was Kumaton, but I think those are like new. Wait, no, I'm sorry. I have this one cheap squishy that I got in Japantown, in the Japantown Mall. It's really soft, but I love to squish it because it's like really, I'm like obsessed with it. Oh, sorry. And then I got this from Bunny's Cafe. And here, it's a Vlampo pineapple donut. It's the license right there with Vlampo. I don't know if you could see that. Alright. I know there's one more squishy that isn't from Bunny's Cafe. I'm so sorry. But here, it's a panda. It's a panda bun. It's a green medium size, but I believe I was like, I forgot what I did, but then it's super slow rising right now. Doesn't smell like anything. And then got this Ibloom peach that I got from Bunny's Cafe. With the license right there. Alright. You can like hear the air coming out. It's like super slow rising, but oh, so my gosh, it smells really good. Comes in the new packaging. Let's put that in. Put that there. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. Not the rest is from Bunny's Cafe. I just have one more. I'm so sorry that I said one more like a lot of times ago, but this is a sheep. I don't think this is a pop-pop sheep because it might be licensed. I don't know, but there's no licensing on here. But there's a tiny defect like right there. It doesn't really smell like anything. It's like really big and I love squishing it. And then here I've got this Kumaton banana. I might think that might be the licensing. I don't think it is. But I think if you like look closely, you might see the fingerprints. Oh, I think you guys can see. There. Now, after this one, I'm gonna get into the big ones. So sorry guys if I'm like taking too long. Here is a bread loaf. And I got it at Bunny's Cafe. It's licensed by Key Brew. I really love it. This was the first squishy I ever got from Bunny's Cafe. Now we have my two biggest squishies here. These are the end. Got this milk rich special taste cheesecake from Japan. I got this one at Bunny's Cafe. Super soft. It smells like chocolate. This might be the licensing, but or decoration. I actually my mom ordered an Ibloom rainbow cheesecake squishy, so it's gonna come soon. But now for my last one, it's the biggest one. This is probably creamy candy or yummy bear. I don't know. Maybe all of them. Got the super humongous yummy bear pancake. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. But there's there's like something there. Like I don't know if that's like a dent or like the licensing. This one's dense or firm, but it smells like honey. I'm not joking. Alright. I believe I am done. So like and subscribe. Might mention all like Bunny's Cafe and Creamy Candy down below. And I'll put my Instagram down below. Alright. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.